Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. All right, you guys, I finally got my Eyescream Beauty Bag for the month of May. I apologize, y'all. I'm losing my voice. It has been an absolute weekend of massive allergies. I was mowing for 6 or 7 hours today. Yeah, this is what happens to me. A little too much hay fever going on, y'all. Okay, so Eyescream Beauty Bag is obviously from the same company as the Eyescream Beauty Box. Although this one is $12.50 or $13.50. Let me put that down in the description, you guys. I don't want to misquote myself. I will make sure the amounts are down in the description. The links are down in the description. So in this one, you get, you do have to pay shipping. You get like 3 products. You know, they tell you can get more, but I'm fairly new to this. I have been getting the box for quite a while, but I decided to try the bag. I think I can pull it open with this little drawstring here. So it's been kind of a fun experience. I do like the box a lot. See, it didn't work, you guys. I tried the little pull tab. It's a fail. Still gonna go in with the scissors. So I wanted to try the bag, and I don't know that I will keep it, but I did want to give it a try. There we go. So it's starting to open up. You do get a palette in the bag as well as the box, which is really nice. And they do say you're not supposed to get any of the same items if you get both the bag and the box subscription. So let's pull everything out. Kind of stuck in here. Ooh. It's coming, but it's, yeah, there we go. Pretty stuck. Okay, that's all. So this was their old style for their box and their bag, and I think they're just using this up. They have gone, if their box has gone to like a pink box, and if you guys are unfamiliar with that, check out my May 2022 Eyescream Beauty Box unboxing. Okay, let's get into this. This is looking like fun. There is a card here. May Eyescream Beauty Bag, 3 items. So they do give you a little card that tells you the MSRP on everything. All right, so we have EmpowHer Beauty. Oh, it's a lash or a mascara lash, Unstoppable Lash Serum. Oh, it's a serum. Oh, conditioning proteins. Okay. So they say this MSRP on this is $25. I was thinking it was just a mascara, but it says this is the Unstoppable Lash Serum. Lashes appear thicker. Directions are to apply 1 layer of serum to lashes with the easy-to-use applicator. Can be used before mascara. Oh my gosh, see it, y'all? Oh. Can be used before mascara application. Allow serum to dry before applying your mascara. You can use before bed on clean, dry lashes. Okay, that's kind of fun. All right, next one we have, ooh, this is a very reflective. It says CopyCat Luxe eyeshadow palette. Y'all are going to be blinded by this. So this is a palette, and I did that very fast because it's very reflective. We've got our little silica packet. Oh, here it comes. Nicely bubble wrapped. To the point where I don't know that I will be able to get this back in the bubble wrap and back in the box. It's really tight. Okay. It's coming. Very reflective. Very reflective. There's a little itty bitty mirror. Ooh. Really pretty. Wow, lots and lots of shimmer shades. At first, I was thinking like the top was all the shimmer shades and then the bottom were all the mattes, but there are definitely shimmer shades on the bottom row as well. And I'm going to cover the mirror, I think, with just the bubble wrap because this is so reflective. Really pretty colors, y'all. What do you think? So lots of these are shimmer shades. Even some of the ones on the bottom are shimmer shades. So this one down here on the corner is a shimmer shade. And then this one right above my nail is also a shimmer shade. First, I was just thinking they was all the top, but really pretty. I did notice the pans are not really squarely into the palette. So this is definitely more inexpensively made palette. And they say it is a $12 MSRP. So that sounds about right. It looks really pretty. And then the last one is also really nicely bubble wrapped. And it says it is a blusher palette. Where is the opening on this? There we go. Really nicely bubble wrapped. If I can find the opening. Okay, I thought that was it. Maybe it's just sealed. Sometimes they will heat shrink seal these and then there's no obvious opening. All right. So this is Okalan's Cosmetic Blush Palette. Let's see. There's a mirror. I'm going to cover that. Ooh, pretty. So there's a shade saver over the blusher shades. And it is stuck on. So I apologize. It's probably going to be a little reflective. It does say this is a cruelty-free brand. Those are really pretty. I really like those shades. I might be keeping this one. There is a mirror. I'm going to, like I said, give you guys one more look on that. So, 3 items in our bag. Not bad. So I figure I pay like $15 to $16 total for this bag because I do need to pay the shipping. And it might have gone up a little. So maybe I'm paying $16 to $17 because US Postal Service shipping has gone up a little bit. Not bad. I mean, honestly, I got 2 palettes. One was an inexpensive eyeshadow palette. The other one is an inexpensive blush palette. Not bad. And then we did get, ooh, excuse me, you guys. This Lash Serum from EmpowHer Beauty. I have not tried this. I've definitely had a few lash serums in boxes over the last several years. And I'm a little... I understand that, like, when you use these, all is hunky-dory, but sometimes they say if you stop using them, like, the lashes might fall out or something. I'm not really sure, y'all. I've not used these a whole lot. Like, every now and then I'll put a lash serum on, but I'm not really consistent with it. That's my bad, but let me know what you think down below in the comments, you guys. And if you're new here, I'd love it if you'd hit the subscribe button and join my YouTube family. Be sure to check out my weekly Mask Monday collaboration videos. I usually do a giveaway in those that is open to anybody with a mailing address in the U.S. And yeah, like I said, let me know if you haven't checked out my May 2022 unboxing video. Check that one out as well for the Eyescream Beauty box. And then let me know what you think, box compared to the bag. I think they're both pretty fun. I know a lot of complaints are that you don't get really high-end products, but you guys, $15 or $16, $17, you know, including shipping. That's not a lot of money. You're not going to get like $150 palettes in that because, I mean, it's just not going to happen. So definitely expect to get some more inexpensive items in this, but that's okay. You know, introductory makeup is introductory makeup. Not everybody wants to spend $90 on a palette. So yeah, I'm so far really happy with this. So I don't know that I will continue the bag for, I think I prepaid for like 3 months. I don't know that I will continue it, but I do think it is a really nice subscription and a really good price point. You know, less than 20 bucks is not bad. So, all right, you guys, I really appreciate your time. Again, I apologize for like my voice and all that. Just, I am super congested. Obviously I took a Zyrtec this morning, but it is wearing out now. It's pretty late at night. So I'm going to have to take another one tomorrow and see if I can even talk. I am like so stuffed up. So, all right, you guys, thank you so much. I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.